Winter tires can make a huge difference when it comes to safely controlling your vehicle in cold climate conditions. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about installing and storing your winter tires. First up, why should you use winter tires in the first place? Unlike all-season tires, winter tires are designed to give you safe traction for braking, cornering, and acceleration in all winter conditions, not just snow and ice. So, when do you know it's time to install your winter tires? You don't have to wait for the first snowfall of the season. As temperatures drop to about 45 degrees Fahrenheit and stay there consistently, it's time to make the swap. Pro tip: before you do anything, it's a good idea to check with the Department of Transportation to see if there are any time restrictions or regulations around using studded winter tires. Another common question we get is whether you have to install all 4 winter tires. The answer is a resounding yes. Whether you have a front, rear, or all-wheel drive vehicle, it's always best to install all 4 winter tires to reduce the risk of understeering or oversteering, also known as fishtailing. Now, when it comes time to remove your winter tires, it's important to ensure you're storing them correctly to keep them for years to come. First, you'll want to brush and wipe your tires clean. Use a tire brush to get in all the nooks and crannies. If you want, you could even use a little detergent and water, but be sure to let your tires dry completely before storing them. Next, once you have all 4 tires off the vehicle, you'll want to put them in a sealed, airtight bag. A large yard and leaf bag works great. Do your best to extract as much air as possible out of the bag or use a vacuum cleaner. When storing your tires, make sure you're keeping them in a cool, dry area, away from direct sunlight, and without anything stacked on top of them. And there you have it. If you have any other questions about winter tires, stop in at your local discount tire store and one of our specialists will be happy to help. Thanks for watching.